Hey everyone. So recently we have released a new functionality which is AI based. So as you know that being a tech company, we are also moving towards the AI and we have released the functionality of calculation logic. So now what will happen that while creating the document, you must have seen that there remains several calculations. Now we have made those calculation easier for you by using the AI functionality. How you can set it up and how you can use it, let me quickly show you. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to go to settings module. Now, once I will come in settings module, we need to go to document segment and then calculation engine. So please check here. I have already saved two of the calculation saved. So the very first is that if price is more than 500, then give item discount 1 of 100. So suppose if you have added any item and in that, if the item price is more than 500, then what system will do? System will give a discount. System will apply a discount of 100 rupees. Second, if I have made some drop downs, if salesperson name is selected as this, then keep the item price at 2000. Similarly, you can add it. Let me just show you how. So you need to click on add rule. Then after you need to select the document. So let's take an example. I selected the purchase order. What I will do in purchase order, I will select domestic. Now I will put the rule name like price. Now come below. Here I can go ahead and type the AI prompt on which the formulation will get generated. So these are some of the standard fields which are provided. These are the custom field. So suppose in case of my purchase, I want to apply a rule that if item price is more than 2000, please apply discount one of I have mentioned the field name item discount one of 200 rupees. Fine. What I will do, I will click on generate rule. Now once I click on generate rule, please check it will generate a response. Now I need to click on, so logic, if price is more than 2000, please apply item discount 1 of 200. Test rule. Now here, suppose I will go ahead and mention 1000. Now once I will execute it, please check there is no discount. Now what I will do, I will mention it 3000. Execute. Please check here is the discount. I will accept it and now it is applied on my document. Let me quickly show you by creating one document that how it works. So I will come back to all module, click on sales and purchase. I will select create document. I will select the invoice. Now I will quickly select the buyer name. So this is the test document. Go below. Now what I will do, I will quickly just open the discount one option. I will select item 1 and then I will select item 2. Now here, please check. There is a formula which is provided in a formula rule. So on one item, I have mentioned the quantity 200 and the price is 432. In second column, sorry, it's current stock. The price is 1800, so I will reduce it to 200. And in second, I will mention 100 and the price is fine. Now the very first rule which I will apply, that is, just a moment, let me change it to the rupee. Now the very first, if price is more than 500 and I will execute it. Please check. Can you see on the very first, there is no discount. On the second, it applied a discount. So accordingly, if you can see the salesperson here, what I will do, I will quickly just go ahead and select name and here I will select Shishir and I will select the second one, click on execute. Please check. Can you see? Once I selected execute, the price increased to 2000 automatically. So this is how you can use our new functionality, which is based on AI and can help and can take help in calculation and document creation with a just single click. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.